Today I'm going to be showing how to use sticky notes in Windows 10. So I'm sure many of you guys, if you used earlier versions of Windows, come to mind the widgets feature in Windows Vista and Windows 7, where you can actually create a sticky note and place it on your desktop. And in this brief tutorial, I'll be showing how to actually create a sticky note, delete it, move it around, and so forth. So it's going to be a pretty straightforward tutorial for you guys today. Okay, so we're going to start by heading over to the Start menu. So you might actually see underneath Most Used, it might say Sticky Notes here. If you don't see it here, you could also just type in Sticky Notes. And it should be listed as a trusted Windows Store app. So left click on that. So if this is the first time you're opening up the Sticky Note application, you might be getting a little pop-up on the side that says Enable Insights. Personally, you can disable this feature by just clicking on Not Now, or you're not actually even enabling it to begin with. This is more just if you want to be connected with Bing and Cortana, but for most of your guys' purposes with this tool, I would suggest just clicking on Not Now. So then at this point, you can type in whatever note you want to type. So I'm just going to say make videos. So then once you're done doing that, if you click on this little plus sign, this will actually add the note. And then you can see it's permanently on the desktop here. And you can actually click out of the window as well. This plus sign will just actually create a new note for your desktop. If you see these three little dots up in the top right next to the trash can icon, if you left click on that, it'll give you different color options for the sticky note, which is kind of nice. And then when we're underneath this area, we can see there's a little icon in the bottom left. It looks like a little gear. It'll actually open up some settings. If you want to left click on that, this is where we can go back and enable insights through what we previously closed out of. And this will actually also send application usage statistics to Microsoft. I don't really understand why people would want that with their sticky notes. That'd be a little bit concerning to me personally, but you can disable that through here as well. So it's not a big deal. So if you guys are wondering, you can actually shrink the sticky note size by going up in one of the corners, and you can change the dimensions of the sticky note. Make it as big as you want, or make it about that size. I don't know if we can make it much smaller than that. So this is about as small as you can get it, but again, just click on the little plus sign in the top left and you can create more sticky notes. And then simply to delete it, just left click on the little trash can icon in the top right. Where you hover over it, it'll say delete note. And it's as simple as that. And if you have anything actually saved in the note, it'll ask you if you want to delete the note. Just left click on delete. And I guess that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.